This is a 1983 Mustang GLX convertible. Really a beautiful car. Very nice shade of maroon. Pinstriping here is on sale at Gateway in Lake Mary, Florida. Nice white interior. And it has power everything. It has power steering and brakes and air conditioning, power windows. Nicely equipped. I like the instrument panel on these Mustangs. Kind of traditional with the wood tone there. Has automatic transmission. And I'll leave a link with the description of the car and pictures that Gateway Classics has put up on their website. Again, it may have sold by the time this video that I took in late August comes up in mid-October. Very nice car. Nice 4 headlamps in a rectangular style that were the thing at the time. Here's the description. And again, this is repeated on the website if the car is still up for sale. Of course, my 88 Mustang GT is really basically the same car, with a different engine, different grille and taillights, of course, but this style remained the same for quite a while. Notice the amber turn signals.